In this video, we'll install HydePHP from scratch and get a site running in your browser. This is episode 2 of How to Hide PHP. The whole thing is 3 commands and about 5 minutes. Let's go. First, 2 prerequisites. Hyde needs PHP 8.2 or newer, and Composer, PHP's package manager. Check both from your terminal. PHP--- version should print 8.2 or higher, and Composer -- version should print a version number. If either command is missing, install PHP from your package manager and Composer from getcomposer.org. Then come back. Now the install itself. It's one command: Composer create project, hyde/hyde, my site. That last part, my site, is just the folder name, so call it whatever you want. Composer now creates the project, downloads Hyde and all of its dependencies, and sets everything up. This takes a minute or so, depending on your connection. When it finishes, move into the new folder with cd my site. To see your site, run php hyde serve. That starts Hyde's development server, the real-time compiler, and by default it listens on localhost port 8080. Leave it running and open that address in your browser. Here's what a working install looks like: the default Hyde welcome page. If you see this, everything works: PHP, Composer, and Hyde itself. And when you're done looking around, you can stop the server at any time with Ctrl+C. And that's the entire install. 3 commands: Composer create project to create the site, cd to step into it, and PHP hyde serve to run it. In episode 3, we'll take a tour of the project you just created and see how placing a file becomes your site's routing, with no root files at all. See you there.